Missionaries retreat in Waco, creating home close to campus. Sports Chaplain tackles fixer. Extra space for blended family. New home, new life for mom. Son surprises family with Reno. New home buyers prefer fixer. Newlyweds seek first home. Academics seek acreage. Texan family returns to roots, creating refined country charm. A home for hospitality. Family of 5 seeks open home. Island family seeks space. 3 generations, 1 fixer. Nomad family seeks final home. Client rebuilds after tragedy. A veteran home makeover. Expectant couple seeks nest. A floating fixer upper. The best of Chip and Joanna. Coastal calm in the country. A home for him and her. Homebuilders seek fixer upper. Country couple seeks fixer. The worst of the best. The Dog-Loving Dreamhouse. Family Fancies French Flair. Craftsmen Crave urban feel. French country sought in Waco. New nest for a growing family. Couple seeks a unique fixer. Young family takes on history. Old house, new memories. The ultimate Bachelor Pad. Young couple chooses old home. Rustic Italian dream home. High school friend seeks fixer. Tiny house, big charm. A home for the holidays. Searching for small town charm. Retiring to the country. Austin couple finds Waco charm.
Hey guys, thank you so much for the support and likes and comments down below, and also thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to see you in the next video. Then take care, bye.